Did the shit we did within the 8. We got 3 Waymos that think the light fucking red. Look at this shit. This fucking. We can't even get around this shit. Car right there. We can't even goddamn move, bro. We cannot move, bro. Man. The Waymos think the light red, bro. You supposed to yield to this shit. Man.
Oh shit, bro, going at it. Big ass bill, bro. Wait, hold on, close the door, close the door. Hold it on my right.
Well, Prince all up in that bitch.
Oh, the tire got popped. Somebody took the tire.
Last week. I don't know.
Oh, look, the strike shit, bro.
Yeah, there you go.
Yeah. But hit the fucking camera. Pop that shit. Bro, they striking it, bro.
Why the fuck are you in the trunk?
That's why, man. I'm trying to figure this out. Like, I'm over here. Yeah, this shit won't let me out. This shit won't.
Why are you in it?
Huh? They just put me in here.
Who put you in?
The
what?
The people. Yeah, I'm like, that's what I'm asking. That's what I'm saying. Just look. Just keep going.
Everything recorded as well, so we're gonna order a new Waymo. Hopefully this one doesn't pop up.
Okay, we don't want you to experience this again. Let me provide you the credit and should be able to use it right away. Just a second here.
And my phone was burning up in here, 83 degrees. That's crazy. That's crazy.
Bro, it still can't move. It still can't move. People are getting off the damn bus. AI rules. AI rules. It doesn't know what to do. Bro, your giant stupid car costs $100,000. Can't even drive. Yeah, baby. Cyberpunk, baby. It's stuck in oncoming traffic. Let's go. Woo! Woo! We love Waymo. Look, another one stuck. Let's go. We got 2. It's in oncoming traffic, baby.
I can give you the license. I can give you the license plate.
We have that. Yeah, we have the license.
Okay,
It's funny if it's self-driving.
And then,
It's questioning the AI.
sure, like, if you guys like it, the number you guys
This just happened. This is the control flood zone in the green belt. We're right on Hayden. This Waymo just drove right into this flood.
very fucking excited.
You can't park there, bud! Can't park there, bud.
Well, that's a weird spot to park a car. I don't think you can park there, bud.
The fuck? Oh my god. Okay, we now have a Waymo with no driver in it who is attempting to come through here.
He's gonna do it. He's gonna do it. Look.
Oh my god. He's coming. All right. Oh, never mind. He's gonna go right over all the garbage.
Just right through the scene.
Okay.
Full speed. He's gone.
I literally been sitting here for a whole hour because I got into an accident with the Waymo and they don't even know what to do. The officer has been in his car for 30 minutes. He said this is his first Waymo accident and he don't know what to do either.
All right, so there's at least 50 Waymos out here right now. They go all... I can't wait for the aliens to take over. The robots, right? They're doing great. Every fucking Waymo in town. It goes on for like 3 blocks.